To use voice typing on a Samsung S25 FE, first of all, you have to make sure that you activated this feature by going to the settings. So you have to start by opening settings and go to the general management. Now we have to go to the Samsung keyboard settings. And when you scroll down, you can find the voice typing or voice input over here. And make sure that you select one of the following options, Samsung or Google one. In my opinion, it doesn't actually matter, but let's say we are going to use the Samsung as default. So simply make sure that you select this one. We can additionally download the language pack. So, this voice typing only works when you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if you are often offline, make sure that you have also download your native language over here. So here you can find all available languages to download. So just simply click on it, wait until it will be downloaded, and it will appear over here. After that, you can use the voice typing even when you are offline. Now, to start using this one, you have to just simply open your keyboard and you will find this icon on the left bottom corner over here. And if you press on it, first of all, you will get this kind of the notification that you have to grant permission for the microphone into your Samsung keyboard. And after that, as you can see, everything that you are going to say will be basically transferred into the text. So I can just keep talking all the time, and that's basically how it works. And for some reason, if you don't have this button over here, so we have to go to the settings. Now you'll have to scroll down to the general management, and over here you have to go to the keyboard instead of the Samsung keyboard settings, and make sure that you turn on that option keyboard button on the navigation bar, because take a look, when it is turned off and we open the keyboard, then this microphone icon just simply disappear, even it's not available over here. But when you go back into that option and simply enable that keyboard button on the navigation bar, then it will just go back and we can just use it.